Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can view your documents on Bluebeam Revu in a presentation or in the presentation mode. So let us guide you through this. In the first step, navigate to your document on Bluebeam Revu. I will go with this example document because it features 3 pages for the presentation 1, 2 and 3. So to enable the presentation mode, what you want to do guys is select, let's say, page number 1 of the presentation here on the left hand side, and then navigate to Window here at the top. And from there choose presentation. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl Enter or Command Enter if you're using a Mac. Left click into it, and that is going to switch to the presentation mode. To switch between your, or to navigate between your pages, use the up and down arrows like this. To close it, press Escape. That's it. You can also enable the autoplay presentation mode, guys. To do that, navigate to your document settings through the review button in the top left by clicking into preferences here. What you want to do next, guys, is navigate to, let me find it, to Window, and then click into Presentation. And here you will see the Auto Advanced feature. Enable it. You may also adjust the frequency between these pages for the auto advancing after 10 seconds or every 5 seconds, and so on and so forth. Adjust page transitions, direction, and so on and so forth. Enable or disable the mouse cursor. Click into OK here to apply these changes to your presentation of your document. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.